Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to run multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. All right, let's begin. To open multiple Roblox accounts on your PC, start by closing Roblox and downloading Process Explorer from the official Microsoft website. Extract the downloaded zip file to your desktop for easy access. Open the folder, right-click the procxp file, and select Run as Administrator. Once the application opens, use the filter in the top right to search for Roblox. If it doesn't appear, ensure the Roblox launcher is currently running. In Process Explorer, go to the View menu and select Lower Pane View, then choose Handles. Look through the list in the bottom pane for an entry titled Roblox Singleton Event. Right-click this, Specific Handle, and select Close Handle. This action removes the restriction that prevents multiple game instances from running. You can now log into an alternative account and launch the game again. This allows you to have 2 or more accounts active in the same lobby simultaneously. It is a simple, free method to manage your alts and main account at the exact same time. So that's basically how you can run multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. That's it for this video. Thanks.